Hi, grade 4. How are you all? Welcome back to your Elga class. Okay, so all of you take your reader book. Reader. Okay, so after your vacation, this is your first class, right? Yeah, okay, children. So all of you take your Elga 8 reader book. So till SR 15 we completed, right? SR 15, that means the loyal mongoose story, right? So I hope that much you all have completed, right, children? Yeah. So now take SR 16, page number 21. Page number 21, SR 16. So today we are going to learn vowel digraph. Okay, vowel digraph 3. This 3 we are going to learn today. Okay, children? Yeah? Okay. So first one is O, O, O. This 3 is O. Okay. O, E, O, O, W, O, O, U, O. This 3 today we are going to learn. Okay, children? So shall we start? Yeah. So first is O, E, O digraph. Okay, O digraph. So first one is doe. Look at this picture. A deer is there, right? Yeah, it's a variety of a deer. Okay. So doe. Next is toe. Toe is nothing but, look at the picture. What is that? Toe. T-O-E, toe. What is that toe? Means your, yes, your fingers, foot fingers, right? Yeah, 5 fingers, foot finger. Okay, foot. Yeah, then hoe. Hoe is nothing but, it's a garden tool. Okay, it's a garden tool. So it is used for remove unwanted plants from the garden. Okay, so what is the use of this hoe? What is the use of this garden tool? Yeah, it is used for remove the unwanted plants or weeds from the garden. Okay, next is aloe. Aloe. I think you all familiar with this plant, right? Aloe. Yeah, we can see in our surrounding, everywhere we can see this aloe. Aloe vera. Yeah, that means what? Yes, Kattarvara. You all know, right? Kattarvara? Yes, it is just like an antibiotic, and we can use it. Is good for our skin, it's good for our hair, it's good for everything. Okay, yeah. So this is aloe. So do, to, ho, aloe. Okay, aloe vera, aloe. Okay, next is foe. What do you mean by foe? Foe is what we can say, it's just an enemy. Okay, foe is an enemy. Foe is the meaning of enemy. Next is mangoes. Mangoes, what do you mean by mango? You all know, yeah, you all love mangoes, right? Yeah, I do love mangoes. So mangoes, you all know what is mango. Then next is woe. O is nothing but a problem. Okay, a problem that somebody has. That is O. If somebody has a problem, we can say he has a woe. Okay, O. A problem. Okay, children. Next is goes. Goes, you all know that it's a action word. Somebody is going. Yeah, goes. Okay. So O, O, E, O we completed now. We learned now, right? O, E, O. First is do, to, ho, aloe, fo, mangoes, wo, goes. Okay, so this meaning also we learned, right? What is this do? It's a variety of a deer. Next word is toe. Yeah, fingers, foot finger, right? Yeah. Then ho. It's a, what is ho? Very good. It's a garden tool which we will use to remove unwanted plants from the garden. Okay. Next is aloe. Yeah, it's a plant, we can say. Okay, it's antibiotic. It is good for everything. Good for human. Yeah, good for face. Good for our good for skin. Good for our hair. Okay. Yeah. Next is foe. What's a foe? Yeah, an enemy. Okay, foe is an enemy. Next is mangoes. Mangoes, you all know mango is a fruit. Okay, mangoes. Next is woe. What is woe? O is a problem that somebody has. Okay, woe is a problem. Next, goes. Goes, yeah, goes. Somebody is going. He goes. Okay, goes. Okay, children. So, O, E, we learn. Can you say some other words which is with the OE digraph? O digraph? OE? Can you say some other words like this? Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn about OWO. Okay, OWO digraph. O digraph. Okay. First, we learn OE digraph. O digraph. Now, we are going to learn OWO digraph. Okay, children? Yeah. Look at this first picture. Look at this first picture. What is she doing? What is she doing? Yes, very good. She is throwing a ball. Yeah? Throwing a ball, isn't it? Yeah. So, the first word is throw. Throw. Okay. Throw. Throw. Next is bowl. 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 Next is sow. Bowl. Sow. Sow. What is he doing? He is sowing seeds, right? Sowing seeds on a field. Okay, sow. Sow means sowing. Okay. Yeah, next is grow. See, a plant, it is growing. Grow. It is growing. Grow. So, throw, bowl, sow, grow. Okay. Yeah. Next is flow. 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 Next is own. Own. Own, it shows a position. Okay. Own. Next is low. 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 Next is show. 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 Okay. So, throw. She's throwing a ball. Throw. It's a bowl. Bowl is a what we can say, it's a utensil or it's a dish. We can keep something in this bowl. Okay, we can keep some curry or something in this bowl, soup or something. Okay, yeah. Next is sow. He's sowing something, sowing seed on the field. Okay, yeah. Sow. Next is grow. Grow. Next is flow. Own. Low. Show. Okay, children. So this O is also we learn now. Yeah. Do you understand what is this? O? Yeah. Next we are moving to OUO digraph. Okay. OUO digraph. Okay, children. Yeah. See. First, what is this picture? What is this picture? Pour. Pour. Pouring something, pouring water or something. Okay, pouring. Next is, how many fingers are here? 4. 4. Okay, 4. Next, what is this? It's a coat. 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 Next, what is this? This is shoulder. 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 Next, what is this? Soul. 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 Next, boulder. 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 Next, what is this? Fourth. 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 Okay. So, here, first one is pour. See, water is pouring from a jar to a bowl. Okay. Yeah. Next, four fingers are there. 4. Next, coat. You all know coat, right? Yeah, for what we go to a court? To get a justice for something, right? So court is used for what? To get justice. Okay, court. Next is shoulder. Shoulder. So this is shoulder. Soul. What is soul? Soul. Soul. Do you know what is soul? So everyone, we have a soul. Okay. Soul. Soul means it's what we can say. It's a atma. Okay. Atma is a soul. Next is boulder. What do you mean boulder? Boulder is nothing but it's a very huge or very large rock. Okay. Large rock. Next is fourth. Fourth, you all know that. Fourth is a place which we give to someone who comes fourth. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. Okay. It's a possession giving to someone. Possession giving to someone who comes fourth. Okay. So he stands fourth. Understand? Fourth. Okay, children. So these three we learned today, right? OEO digraph, OWO digraph, OUO digraph. Can you say some other words with OWO? OWO. Can you say some other words like throw, bowl, sow, grow? Yeah? Bow. BOW, bow. ROW, row. BLOW, blow. SNOW, snow. CROW, crow. These are all O sound. Okay. Yeah. Like the same OU digraph. Can you say some other words with OUO? Like bird, fur, coat, shoulder. Can you say some other words? Yes, loud. 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 Next. Any other? For is here. Then pour. Or. Or. Okay, these are some other words. Okay, children. So these three we learned today. So for your better understanding, they have given 3 paragraphs similar on this. Okay, shall we learn it? Take next page. Okay, take next page, page number 22. So listen here, children. So these are the 3 paragraphs they have given. Okay, this is for OEO. OEO. Look at this lion. Look at this lion. This lion's name is Joe. Okay, Joe was a lion. Okay, this Joe, what is this name? Its name is Joe. Okay, so Joe, Joe. One of what? OEO digraph. Okay, Joe was the lion. Once he had a sore toe. Sore toe. What do you mean by sore? Sore? SORE, sore toe. Sore toe is a painful toe. Okay, so it's a painful toe. He had a painful toe. Toe is his foot finger. Okay, yeah. So he shouted. How he shouted? My toe, my toe. This is how he shouted. Someone help me with my sore toe. So he shouted. How he shouted? So this Joe, he had a sore toe. Okay, sore toe. Sore means you all know what is that? Painful toe. So in that pain, he shouted, "My toe, my toe! Someone help me with my sore toe." Okay, so Doe is the deer. Okay, he came. Doe, the deer, he came to his help. Okay, this Doe came to help this Joe. Okay, so what she done? She put aloe on his toe. So already I said that aloe, it is like an antibiotic. It's a friendly plant. Okay, so it will help with this painful this pain. Okay, so she applied some Alu on his toe, and Joe did not have a sore toe now. Okay, so when she applied that aloe, his pain went away. Okay, so now he did not have a sore toe. Okay, children. So do you all understand this? OE digraph. Yeah. So Joe, toe. See, Joe, toe, do, aloe. These are all O digraph. Okay, children? Yeah. Next, come to next paragraph. Flow. This is OWO. Okay, this is OEO. This is OWO. Flo was known to grow huge snow peas. Okay, so Flo, she is Flo. She was known to grow huge snow peas. Snow peas is like a vegetable. Okay, a vegetable. She is famous in her area that she was known to grow huge snow peas. Okay, she would take the seeds in a bowl and throw them in the soil. Okay, what she will do to grow that huge snow pea? Yeah, she will take the seeds in a bowl and throw them in the soil. She always won the first prize at the local show. Okay, whenever they conduct local show for this growing something, she will get first prize always. Okay, so what she will do to grow this? What she will do? She will take the seeds in a bowl and she will throw them in the soil. What? Seeds. Okay, she will throw the seeds in the soil. Okay, and she always won the first prize in the show. So, flow, grow, bowl, throw. These are all OW digraph. Okay. Yeah. Next. Milk is good for our body, right? You all like milk? You all drink milk in the morning? You should drink, okay? So what it will give? It will make you stronger, okay? So you should drink milk. It is good for our health, okay, children? So milk is good for our body. Kali looks like the big boulder. So this person, what is his name? He is Kali. Okay, every day he used to drink water. So how he looks like? He looks like a big boulder, big rock. Okay, yeah, this is because he drinks 4 glasses of milk every day. So this Kali, this person, he will drink 4 glasses of milk every day. Okay, 4 glasses of milk. So you should drink a glass of water daily in the morning. Okay, but this Kali, what he will do? He drinks 4 glasses of milk every day. Now his hands, shoulders and legs are very strong. Okay, so his hands, look at his hand and look at his shoulders and legs are very strong. Okay, so pour milk into a glass, drink it and become strong. Okay, so if you also drink milk like this, you will also become like this person Kali. Okay, so milk is good for our body. Kali looks like a big boulder. Why? Because he drinks 4 glasses of milk every day. Now his hands, shoulders and legs are very strong. So pour milk into a glass, drink it and become strong like Kali. Okay, children. So in this paragraph, boulder, shoulder and any other words here? No. So boulder and shoulder are from O digraph. Okay, children. So this 3 we learned today. Okay. Yes. So learn it. And next class we are going to learn about a story. Okay. So this class, this is enough for you. Okay, children. Okay, study well. See you next class. Bye.